All right, here we go. Tuesday morning, and markets are starting to shake off these COVID fears that we've had over the past couple of days. We've got the Dow Jones up over 300, S&P's up over 50. That's a 1% move. We had a 1% move yesterday. You may remember yesterday morning heading into the open that Nasdaq was trading lower by about 0.5%, finished higher by 1% yesterday, so a massive reversal. Again, we're starting to shake off these fears from this new variant. That said, we've got a big inflation number coming out on Friday with CPI. Everybody's looking toward that number. Heading into today's open, stock market higher, dollar higher, also seeing oil higher, up above $71 a barrel in WTI. That's another 2.5% move. A lot of volatility in these markets, which creates a lot of opportunity. And speaking of opportunity, today is your opportunity to jump into our last educational boot camp of the year. Go to Nadex.com. You can sign up. It's an all-day event. We're going to have Tom Sosnoff presenting from Tasty Trade, Todd Rich from here at Nadex. Day-long event, free education. If you can't make it live, we'll have the archive up shortly after the event. Let's have a great day, folks. I'll see you again tomorrow morning.